Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful footline cake made out of a black buttercream marble effect. Also in this video, I'm going to show you different techniques such as this beautiful cell cake topper made out of granulated sugar. I'm going to show you how to make a black buttercream without all this food coloring. So if you want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, well, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. So this is the final product. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. What's important about these techniques is, example, for the buttercream, you can add as much as cocoa that you want, depending also on the quantity that you're doing. So obviously you want to start with a dark base, and like that, by adding the cocoa powder, at least you're not gonna have like the taste of the food coloring. That's number one. So you can add as much as little as you want, depending on the shade that you like to achieve. And number two, for the cell cake topper, what's important is that you keep on cooking your syrup until it becomes like thick. And if you want to know if it's ready, as shown in the video, you just take a little bit of the syrup, drop it in water, and if it becomes hard, you know that it's ready to be poured onto your silicone. So those are the two main techniques that you need to know about this video. And if you guys liked it, again, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, well, you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button. Also, I'd like to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers and my supporters. I really appreciate you guys supporting me, and I love your comments. I try to, the best that I can, respond to them. I'm a little bit busy. I'm a mother of 3, so sometimes it's a little bit hard, but I try my best. But I really like when you guys give me all these comments. It pushes me to give another video, and I'm almost at 100K. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. And I just want to say thank you so much. And if you guys have questions or even pictures of cakes that you guys had done by just simply following my videos, please send it to me. It really means the world to me. You guys have no idea. So yeah, and I just wish you all like a happy, safe week, and see you in the next one.